Hi everyone. The best gift that we have learned from computers is copy paste. And ever since ChatGPT and AI tools have entered our lives, the importance of copy paste has actually skyrocketed. Why? Because today it is all about giving the right prompt. And if you can give the perfect instruction, you can generate high quality and stunning AI images or videos. But here's the million-dollar question. Do we all have that advanced prompt writing skill? Probably not. We are all busy teachers, not prompt engineers. And that's exactly why in today's video, I am going to give you a very simple hack that will solve this problem chutkiyon mein in just seconds. Welcome back to Skill Thrill with Divya, the space where we empower your potential as modern educator. Okay, let me show you a demo video now.
इसलिए कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि अगर भगवान और गुरु दोनों एक साथ खड़े हों, तो पहले गुरु के चरण छूने चाहिए, क्योंकि वही हमें भगवान तक पहुंचाते हैं।
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागों पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए, बलिहारू आपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
So let's start with the tools today. Today I'm going to talk about Google Gemini and Google Workspace Lab, which is also known as Google Flow. So the step number 1 is that on Google you just have to type Google Gemini, the link will come, and over there you are going to write down the prompt. You can write down the simple prompt, whatever the task that you wish to do. So for example, in today's video I have taken Hindi topic Kabir ke Dohe from grade 8. So I have just written, I'm a Hindi teacher and I want to teach Kabir ke Dohe to grade 8 students, and just give me an image which I can paste on Google Flow Lab. So here you can see it is going to create a prompt for me. This prompt will help me to paste this prompt on the Google Lab. Then after that you can see I am also asking Google Gemini to create an image. So it is going to create an image. So writing a prompt or generating a prompt and creating the image, both the tasks can be done easily from Google Gemini. That is free of cost. You don't have to pay for it. You just should be having the Gmail account with you. So now you can see it has created just one image, because the Doha has 4 small lines separated by comma. So that's why I'm just writing create 4 images. Now step number 2 is that you have to type Google Flow and you have to click on this www.lab.google. Over there you will see this kind of interface and it will ask you to create new project. Click over there and there you will see the option of creating images and video. Yes, you can create image and video both in Google Labs or Google Workspace. Over here you can see it gives you the count कि आपको एक image चाहिए, 2 चाहिए, 3 चाहिए कि 4 चाहिए. So accordingly you can click over there. Also please remember, when you create Gmail account you get few credits, approximately 50 credit points you get. एंड जितना आप इसको यूज़ करते हैं उतने आपके क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स कम होते जाते हैं. बट यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट मंथ फिर से दोबारा से आपको इतने ही क्रेडिट्स और मिल जाते हैं. तो मंथ में अगर आप 2 से 3 वीडियोस बनाना चाहते हैं, दैट यू कैन डू फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू पे, यू डोंट हैव टू इवन क्रिएट अ न्यू गूगल अकाउंट और जीमेल अकाउंट. सो डोंट वरी, right? Over here you can see I have given 2 images, what should be the start and the end image, and over here it is creating a video for me. So I am going to play this video over here. It has created a small 7 seconds video for me. I can easily download this video and I can even have the animated GIF of that, but I just want to have a video. ओके, नाउ स्टेप 3 इज कि आपको वापस से गूगल जेमिनाई पे जाना है और यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर भी आप लोग इमेज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। और गूगल लैब में भी कर सकते हैं। नाउ आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ सिंपल ट्रैक, म्यूजिक ट्रैक फॉर माय इमेज। So I'm going to show you how the final output looks like.
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
So thank you so much. I hope आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। Please do not forget to click on like and subscribe. Till then, skill thrill with Divya and keep empowering your potential. Thank you so much. Bye bye.